Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, this is Pembam and Wem. Thank you for joining me. And for this episode, I will be showing you another beautiful balloon bouquet for birthday. So without further ado, let's start inflating this. We have 11 inches latex balloon, pink, and 4 of our 9 inches latex balloon. So we'll inflate our 11 inches to 9 inches or 22.86 centimeter. So 9 inches, we'll inflate this to 6.5, which is 16.51 centimeter. Alright, so they're inflated right here. So we need our balloon stand. So this one is with a stand. So we'll put this 4 balloons, put it right on here. Just like that. And this as well, put this like that. So you want this in between. Push it a little, so nice and sturdy right there. Okay, so we'll put this on the side. Now we will need our 260Q. We have this color, green, and a different kind of green color. A darker green. So we'll stretch this and then we'll inflate this. We'll inflate this, leaving just a little to the top tip right here. So just like that on all 4 of them. So now we have this right here. So you attach this to. And then this other 2 as well. We'll put this on here, so just put it under. And then this other 2 on this side. So just like that, guys. Okay, and so you have this here. So you're gonna bring one here and on the opposite direction right here. This one here and this one here. Okay, that's the first layer. The second time you will cross your green, light green, to the opposite side, and then this one the opposite side. Push a little right here, make sure it's nice and tight. And then do the same thing on this one, opposite side and opposite side. So you'll do the same thing over and over, just like that. So each time you fold, you go to the other side, like that. Like that. Okay, so now let's continue to put this on here. Like that. So just continue like this until you get to the top. So just like that, guys. So we have our chain right there. So the shortest one we have here, this one, I just have to tie it right here. And then we'll cut it later, okay? just so it's not going nowhere, I'm gonna put it right there for now. Same thing at the last one we have here. See the excess right here, the extra. We'll cut this off. Okay, so just tie this or wrap this around here. So there you go, guys, our chain right there. Closer look. Okay. So now we're ready to attach our flower right here. So this is the flower I pre-made, and if you want to know how I made this flower, we have a different video tutorial on how to make this, right? So we'll put this here. So just like that. Just like that. So we'll grab 260Q, attached it on here, just tie. So once you get your 260Q tied up there, we'll attach this here. This on the back. And then we'll hook it up here. So it's not going nowhere. Just like that. Alright guys, so it's finally attached right there, as you can see. So now we have some gold 260Q. You stretch this one and then pump. And then I will twist right here because I don't need the whole thing, so release. Okay, then I'm gonna cut, make a knot right here. Alright, so after I made a knot, I'm gonna double knot right here. And then cut the excess. So now I'm gonna make this curly, so I'm gonna turn it this way. And then massage. Something like that, so when you open it curls like that, so I want it more curlier. So I'll make about 7 or 8 of this, depends on how many I need. So basically you shape it like this. Like that, guys. And we'll put that on here. Alright. So now we will put some balloons right here. So I use this 5 inches. So I'll inflate this to 3.5 or 889 centimeter using our balloon sizer right here. So right here, guys, we'll put this on here. So you just have to twist right there. So you got your balloon right there. just so that thing is covered. Alright guys, so this time we will use our balloon that we made earlier. So we already made a lot of here. So we'll stick this in here and we'll be using our balloon glue dots. And we'll also put this balloon right here. Alright, so for this one right here, I'll use 260Q. Tie this on here. Then we'll put this on here. It's not going nowhere. Alright guys, so we'll work on the other side now. This time is on this side. So we got that on going this way. Now we're gonna go this way. Alright, and we will add this one right here to complete the look, so it will match to the one on the bottom on the other side. And then we will personalize this one. We'll put right here, happy birthday Eileen. This is for my wife's birthday. We're ready to attach our vinyl sticker right here from our Cameo 4. We will put this on the star right here to personalize. So we finally personalized the balloon right here with happy birthday Eileen, and last touch is this balloon right here, 5 inches balloon. I inflated it small, just cover that gap. One here, one here, and also one here. So I put balloon glue dots right there. And there you go guys, that is it. I hope you guys like this. This is the final look of our balloon creation. I hope you guys like this. And once again, this is FemMNY. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you, bye!